Hey, my name's Jane and I blog over at hedgecombers.com where you can find hundreds of real food recipes. Today I'm partnering up with Yellowtail Wines to bring you this amazing recipe for these blue cheese stuffed burgers. These, my friends, are out of this world. So to pair with the burgers, I've gone with the Yellowtail Malbec, which has soft, rich notes that pair perfectly with beef. So let me show you just how quick and easy this little recipe is to knock up. In a large mixing bowl, pop in the minced beef, pour over the Worcester sauce, and then add a load of black pepper. When you think you've got enough pepper added, add a little bit more. Next up, a little pinch of sea salt, and then very gently massage those flavours into the meat. Divide the meat mixture into two and gently shape each one into a nice thick burger. Then using your thumb and finger, pinch open a little hole in the centre and bury inside one of those thick slices of blue cheese. Fold the meat back over, pinching it shut so that as the cheese cooks it doesn't leak out all over the place, and reshape into a nice thick patty. Pour a little bit of olive oil over, just a teaspoon or two, and just very carefully massage that over the outside. This is just going to help get it started cooking. Now preheat your pan. I'm using a nice heavy cast iron one here. Cook for 5 minutes on the first side, then flip over and 5 minutes on the second. Meanwhile, layer up your burger buns with lettuce, red onion, tomatoes, whatever your favourite burger accessories are. And that is an absolute treat. Then sit back, pour yourself a lovely glass of wine and enjoy your burgers with a good friend. Cheers!